Okay, so today's question is maximum distance between a pair of values. So you are given two non-increasing zero index integers arrays nums1 and nums2. A pair of indices I comma j where I is between 0 and nums1 length, and similarly for the j between 0 and nums2 length, and is valid if both I is less than equal to j and nums1 of I is less than equal to nums2 of j. Okay, and the distance of this pair will be the difference of the integers. So we have to return the maximum distance of any valid pair I comma j. If there are no valid pairs, return 0. Okay. So what we will do, we will be using two pointer techniques to solve this question. We will point our first pointer at the beginning of both the nums1 and nums2, and then we will keep on calculating the distance j minus b, and that's how we can get the maximum distance. So let's try to code this. First, let's define our answer to 0 initially, because if there is no such pair, we have to return 0. Now take the length of both the arrays, so n is equal to len of nums1, n is equal to len of nums2, and let's set our starting point as 0, I for nums1, j for nums2, so I is equal to 0, j is equal to 0. Now we will keep running a pointer until we go out of the bound. So while I is less than 1, j is less than m. Suppose at any point if I goes greater than j, but we want I should be always less than equal to j. So what we will do, we will bring j also to the ith index equal to the ith index. So we say j is equal to 1. So suppose if j is less than m and num set I is less than equal to num set j, that means we have got a valid pair. What we will do, we will simply calculate the max answer. So answer is equal to max of answer comma j minus I, and we will move with j more far from I, so that the maximum distance increases, and check if it is still hold that this value nums of I is less than equal to nums of j. So simply increase j plus is equal to 1, and if it's not the case, means nums of I is greater than nums of j, so we will have to reduce the I value. For that, we will move I to the right side, as this is a sorted array, so as we go to the right, the value will decrease. Simply I plus is equal to 1. And yeah, I think that should work. We can finally return answer. Let's try to run our test cases. nums2 is not equal, it's nums2 not num2. Okay, that's see here it's nums1 and this is nums2. I'll try to run and check. Yeah, so test cases has passed. Let's try to submit and check if this works for all test cases. Yeah, so upload has passed successfully. Thank you for watching.